What is up, everybody? How's it going? How you doing? Woo! Big butthole, ow. How you been? Ouch, that hurt. So, I might get rained on. Maybe, maybe not. Depending on how the day goes. I might get wet. I might not. Put your comments down below for your vote. Do I get wet? Do I not? I will comment. I will answer a comment if I do or not. If you guess correctly, I mean, you have a 50-50 shot here. So, if you don't know, I ride a 2013 Yamaha Fz8. The year doesn't matter. The model doesn't really matter. The brand does. Because this year, it is the bike to have if you're in racing, or into racing, or watching racing, whatever. If you're a Yamaha fan, they built a rocket ship for this generation. You don't know what I'm talking about. Motocross just ended in America here. In the 450 class, we had Dylan Ferrandis win on a Yamaha, Star Racing Yamaha. You had Justin Cooper finish second in the 250 standings, and for a long time he was first. Just, you know, got a couple injuries and lost the points lead and whatever, but still second is really good considering how many people are out there, how many, you know, every rider has two people. Like, good job for him. You know, second is nothing to scoff at. Moto America, Jake Gagne on the Attack Performance Fresh and Lean Yamaha is absolutely fucking on another level. That guy's winning by like 4 or 5 seconds of race. Like, he is a monster right now. That, I mean, under him, that bike looks like an absolute rocket ship. Ah, there's dirt everywhere! Ah! Everything's washed out and bumpy. Damn it! But, you know, you also have Tony Elias, whatever you want to say his last name, jump on that bike and look fast. You have Josh Heron look fast on that bike even after being off of it for 2 or 3 weeks because of COVID. Sorry, I'll put a because of the vid. I don't know. Somebody watches this though. I don't think you can still say that word. But anyways, it's not here nor there. So there's motocross doing really well. Moto America doing really well. You've got BSB, which is British Superbike, basically Moto America, but you know, the British side of things. Let's go. Foot on floor. Yes. Accelerate. Zoom zoom. You have the BMW, the ultimate driving experience. Let's go. Apparently not. You have BSB, where Jason O'Halloran and Taryn McKenzie are doing really good. I think, if I remember correctly, O'Halloran right now is leading the points. They still have a few rounds to go, so that's, you know, a whole different country, a whole different rule set. I'm assuming a shitload of riders, because BSB is packed. And you got a Yamaha out front there. You've got WSBK, or World Superbike, where you've got Top Rack Razgatlioglu, I think it's Rioglu. I want to say he's first. I think it's pretty close between him and Jonathan Ray, but that's a really good race, and it's good for Yamaha to be battling the ever dominant Kawasaki in World Superbike. That thing is just beyond dominant, and to have the speed, and also Top Rack is, you know, talented in general. The fun corners I am losing because BMW is slow. Thank you for getting out of my way. I like you very much now. That's World Superbike, WSBK. Yamaha showing out well there. And World Superbike is super competitive. I mean, like, considering how long Kawasaki's been dominant in that, you still have, you know, the full board Ducatis in there with all their speed. So that's cool. And then you've got the fucking big boys, the full bore race bikes, MotoGP, Fabio Quartararo on a different plane than everyone else this year. I mean, it is insane how much faster he's shown that he is. Obviously, if you're watching this, the last race, we're not going to talk about that one. That one didn't count. Obviously, finishing 8th or whatever he did in that one was not a good race for him. But we're talking in normal sense, the average, the normal race for him. He gets out front, pulls the pin, and he is gone. You know, with how fast those bikes are, especially the Ducatis, to be able to pull away from those things in a long race. Aragon is, I think it was Aragon, this last one, is a full-on power track. I mean, like, that's a Ducati Honda track, to be honest. Yamaha does not have the full top end that those bikes do. They're more of a, how did I hear it described once? It's the track you'd want to ride if you went for a track day, the bike you'd want to ride if you went for a track day, but not the bike you'd want to ride if you were going for a race. You know, for being better corner speed, more controlled, more maneuverability, but like not the full top end. But this year, I don't know what Yamaha did, but they built absolute monsters. And good job for good job also to the teams, geez, that's the same word. Good job to the teams also, there we go, for, you know, different spec of bikes, different tires, different teams, different sets of rules, different riders, to all have such, I mean, especially, and different disciplines too, because track racing and motocross is a big difference. Oh my god, this road sucks now. Just getting fucking, ooh, look at all that death in the corner. Look at all that dirt. Good job for all the teams and all the mechanics and everyone working to get different bikes, different riders all comfortable and fast. Good job, Yamaha. I know, obviously, like, Yamaha doesn't run all this stuff because you've got, like, different teams running at McCann's for CSB, you've got Star Racing for motocross, you've got Pack Performance for Moto America, you got Monster Energy Yamaha. I think they're full factory, and same thing for Monster Energy Yamaha for MotoGP. But like, different teams, different riders, different support levels, different parts and pieces, and oh god, oh, I had to stand up for that one. But it's just, you know, it's a good year to be on a Yamaha, good year to be a fan of Yamaha. Look at this, half the fucking corner's gone, and the rest of it's covered in dirt. This road sucks now. It sucks, I mean, this road's dangerous now. Ow, dude, holy fuck. This is not the road to go fast on. It is unbelievably bumpy. Holy shit. Painfully bumpy too, not like little bumps, like up into your spine kind of shit. But I guess if you watch this far, tell me down below who you're a fan of. Are you a Yamaha fan? Do you have a specific team, a specific rider, or whatever? Or are you Honda, Kawasaki, KTM, Husqvarna, Gas? Who else? Aprilia, Triumph, even, whatever. If you're a different brand or a different kind of, you know, team, comment down below who you like. Are you excited, like I said, for Yamaha to be winning this year? And I'll see y'all later. Peace.